Hello dear students, myself Muskan Ahmed from Bright Vision Academy. I would like to inform you that Bright Vision Academy is going to start face-to-face classes for CUET exam 2024. These face-to-face classes will start from 1st April 2024 at Bright Vision Academy. In these classes, we will provide the classes for all domains, English and Hindi languages, and for general test. Guys, recorded lecture support will also be there. Bright Vision Academy will provide CUET UG classes in 3 modes. Number 1, face-to-face classes. Number 2, live classes at home. Number 3, latest recorded classes. Our best faculty members will teach you. We will organize mock test series from 2nd week of April strictly based on CUET exam pattern. If you are appearing in class 12th board exams, immediately send message on this WhatsApp number 9873387661. We will provide you the sample papers of all subjects for your upcoming board exams. All the very best students, your board exams.